So this is my project that utilizes the magnetometer, accelerometer, and gyroscope components located on the STM32L476G discovery board. So I'm going to go ahead and power it up now. And so initially it starts out by displaying the main menu, which gives you a couple of different selections. So if I were to hit up here, it would go to displaying magnetometer data, down would select the accelerometer, and select would select the gyroscope. There's also a fourth option here, which is left, and so that would take you back to the main menu after you've selected a particular component. So I'm going to go ahead and start displaying data. I'm going to do the gyroscope data. So initially it starts out by displaying a magnitude, then it does X, Y, and Z values. So the magnitude is, it's the sum of the X, Y, and Z values. Not really the sum, but that's what it represents. And so the X, Y, and Z values show the rotation about each one of those axes. And so also there's an LED that you can see blinking in the background. And so that displays the sample rate that we're grabbing data at. And so you can tell we're grabbing it very slowly, but that's because the user has to have time to see the values that are displayed. So after all values have been displayed, we then go back and read more values. So now I'm going to go back to the main menu. So here we have all of our selections again. So now I'm going to show the accelerometer data. So again, we're showing magnitude, X, Y, and Z values. Our LED in the background shows the sample rate that we're grabbing data at. And so also, I don't have to go back to the main menu right here. If I were to just hit up, then I'm displaying magnetometer data. So the strength of the magnetic field. And so all of these values that I'm showing here are A to D values. And that's because A to D values are integers. If you convert these to their unit values, then typically you have a number with a high decimal point precision, which is hard to show on the LCD display. So here we're just showing A to D values. But this is enough to tell where the bulk of your data is coming from. So you can tell if it's coming from the X, the Y, or the Z directions. But that is my project. And so I will conclude with that. Thank you. Bye-bye.